welcome to this week's Tip of the Week for SAP Business One. This week's Tip of the Week, we're going to show you how to find the doc entry number or the doc key. Now, this is going to play a role if you're building any crystal reports and you're doing any previews from there and it asks you for the doc key, or if you're looking for the doc entry number in general. And there's a couple ways to do this. Now, the first way to do this is on a query generator. We can run a query, and I already built one here. Just a simple one to say that this is an AR invoice, so I'm looking at the OINV table, which is the AR invoice here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up the doc num, and then I'm going to put in doc entry, and I can look all of them up, but I've also built in a where statement where I say I want to see the doc number that equals this number here. Now the doc entry and the doc num are separate numbers. The doc entry is more of an internal number here. Now if we run that query, here is the doc entry number, or the doc key. Now that's one way to do it, but you'd have to build a query each time you do this. The second way to do that is open up your document here, and you can see your AR invoice, and you're going to come up, and you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to go to Changelog. Now once you open up the changelog, the object code is right here, and you can see it has its own column, so you can pull the number out of there, save yourself a little time from running a query into that to find that number there. Now on the crystal report side, just for a reference here, I'm going to open this up. So whenever you go to run a crystal report here, you may get these values for a parameter for the doc key. Now if I had that number here, I could put that in 1715. I won't review the object ID codes, but there's a table for that to run for an AR invoice, and then what it'll do is it'll preview and it'll pull that information from that document so that you can see it on your layout here in Crystal Report. Thank you for watching this video. As always, please reach out to us here at Support One with any questions. Click on the link to subscribe for more content.